Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma announced plans to raise awareness about the Meghalayan Age during an interactive session with beneficiaries of the CM Elevate and Focus schemes. The initiative, proposed by a social entrepreneur from Mawmluh village, aims to educate the public about the globally recognized geological period which spans the last 4,200 years. The government plans to produce a documentary film to explain the Meghalayan Age's scientific significance. Additionally, the Chief Minister addressed farmers' concerns on market linkages and clarified that financial aid under Focus and Focus Plus are grants, not loans. He also emphasized government efforts to support farmers by establishing processing units and over 100 farmers' markets, as well as providing transportation through 1,917 agri-vehicles. Checks were distributed to beneficiaries of the Focus and CM Elevate schemes, and the Chief Minister, alongside key ministers, flagged off tourism vehicles under the CM Elevate program.
With a subsidy of 3.57 lakhs, 993. The next individual is Vijanti Mary Khat with an amount of 10 lakhs and a subsidy of 3.5 lakhs.
Next, Wanra Chingmentoy PG, Malkan Row, 80
PG. Nakalang jonga, ngamdan ni ay banong, ngadan kaway, kapag ay kublay, yak sorka, kapala penyo yengi, yakadika, fun, nakapatachungi kumkinongra.
For small things, sometimes may look very small to rest of us, but for the farmer, that particular moment is very, very important. If it goes away, then the whole year is wasted. So therefore, I'm very happy that we are ultimately.
Kapag pinalit na kaway ka office video, office DC, tete, ka-AAP ba niyo ikitingiram?
I have clarified this in the past also, and I'm clarifying it again, that this particular amount is not a loan. This 5,000 rupees that we are giving through Focus, other programs have other systems, but the Focus scheme is not a loan scheme. Focus is a grant and a subsidy which we give to our producer groups, and you do not have to repay it back. I want to make it very clear. So please don't have any doubts. There are people who will try to make things complicated and confuse our farmers. For whatever reason, we don't understand. When good is being done, they should support. But in turn, they're trying to confuse our people. So therefore, please don't believe that. This is not a loan, and this is a grant and a subsidy, and you will not have to repay back the Focus amount.